lazy. Jasmine is so lazy.
So what?
So what?
So what? Back in my day, we didn't have to do nothing.
Come on, let's go, babe.
We just sat around on the ranch watching the cows.
So we're gonna bake smeltenbollen.
Smartenbollen.
Smeltenbollen.
Smartenbollen.
Ik ga smeltenbollen maken.
Ik ga smartenbollen maken.
Nee, ja, ik ga lekkere smeltenbollen maken.
What?
Say, dat zijn lekkere smeltenbollen.
Are you making me say nasty things?
No. No. Say, hallo België.
Hello België.
Alles goed met jullie?
What?
Alles goed met jullie?
Alles goed met jullie.
You look like you're bold, Jazz.